What's up everyone, my name is Braden Hamilton and I am the owner of Orca Asphalt Maintenance. Today is an exciting day. Today we are going to unbox and put together the Wand Wizard sold at Asphalt Kingdom, sold at Action Seal. Without further ado, let's put this thing together. Bubble wrap, making sure everything came safely. Okay, simple design here. 3 pieces in the package. Top piece, which attaches to the wand, bag of hardware, and bottom piece, which has the squeegees, which slides along the ground. Let's put it together. So what we're gonna wanna do is line up the holes on either piece. So it's a fairly simple install. All you're gonna need is a screwdriver and a crescent wrench or a socket set to hold the nut on the other side of the screw. So the next step is to dump out the hardware. And install the bolts from the outside going in. And there she is in all her grandeur. Very easy installation. Seems like it's very solid material, well put together. Now let's put this thing to work.